Breast cancer accounts for nearly 1 in 3 cancers diagnosed in women. The National Breast Cancer Foundation would like you to participate in the 30-day detection challenge and invite your friends to do so as well. It could save someone's life. Every woman should plan time for a monthly self-breast exam and schedule an annual mammogram. Finding an abnormality can be scary, but it's not always bad news. According to a report printed in USA Weekend, many times abnormalities occur due to benign changes in the breast. Breast lumps could be cysts. Round or oval-shaped fluid-filled sacs are not cancerous, nor do they raise your risk of later developing the disease. They're most often found in women in their 40s. Nipple discharge is sometimes caused by non-cancerous growths called intraductal papillomas that develop within breast ducts. Tell your doctor about any discharge other than milk, especially if it's bloody, which may indicate breast cancer. If you feel a dull ache in your breast around your period, the pain could be linked to your menstrual cycle. Though pain is rarely associated with breast cancer, you still want to talk to your doctor about any new symptom. The specialists at Florida Hospital Waterman's Digital Mammography Center stress the importance of self-exams and yearly mammograms.
Self-examination is a very important tool in addition to the mammograms. What we recommend, and the American College of Radiology as well as the American Cancer Society recommends, especially from the age of 40, a monthly self-breast examination and a yearly physician breast examination in addition to the mammograms, because there are some cancers that are picked up by self-examination earlier rather than waiting for the yearly mammogram. All women should be doing it every month.
Self-examination is a technique that every woman should use, but it can't replace mammography. So we recommend self-examination on a monthly or bi-monthly schedule for women, but women shouldn't think that that'll replace a mammogram, and they should still come in for their routine mammograms. In terms of preventing breast cancer, to a certain extent, you have a hand that you're dealt, and what you can do to help improve your odds is in general, live a healthy life and have a good diet, but also do self-exams and follow routine screening protocols. That way, if anything should happen, we catch it as soon as possible and give you the best chance to survive. The way we do mammography at Florida Hospital Waterman is most women schedule for screening mammograms. That means it's time for their routine yearly or biannual exam. So they come in, they have their examination by the technologist. That examination is reviewed by a radiologist, and an interpretation is given. And depending on the interpretation, the patient may need additional images. If they need extra pictures, we call them back and we schedule them for what's called a diagnostic mammogram.
You'll find the link to the National Breast Cancer Foundation, and you can sign up for the Early Detection Challenge and find more information about Florida Hospital Waterman's digital mammography services when you follow the Early Detection Challenge story link on our homepage at yourhometownhealth.com.